Hey, Miss Clark. So, this is my score from 11th grade year. 660 in reading, 490 in math, a total of 1150. And my score that I got from October 25th, not October, August 25th was 1180, and I got a score of 620 in reading and writing and a 560 in math. Although it's not the score I anticipate, I went down a little bit in reading, but that's okay because I'm gonna do better for the next one. But do you see the change in math when it's been ooh, when it's been 400 or 490, 460, 480? I'm at 560. I'm I'm just I'm happy I went up in math. But now it's time to head back to some reading. But thank you so much cuz that the improvement, I'm kind of stoked. So, if I had if I had kept up with my reading and writing too, I would have hit like the 1200 zone. And that, well, we know what we need to work on next. So, thank you, Miss Clark.